It didn't work so well, did it? You gonna run over, Mr. You gonna mow it over?
Fox, no. Come on, Nico. Let's try again over here where there's no distractions.
Nico. Good job. Uh-oh. Oh, fun. Hello. Say hi. Hi. You a grizzle? Alright. Nico. Nico. Nico, are you grizzlies? What'd you find? Are you gonna fix the lawnmower?
Nico, do you want to ride Dora for Daddy?
Show everyone your Dora. All right. Okay. She's kind of a daredevil.
All right.
Nico, come here.
Can you show Daddy how the buttons work?
Come on, Nico. Come on. Come on.
Yay!
Good job. Good job, Nico. You gonna push it again?
Yay! Good work.
What else does this thing do? Wow. You sing along? Do you sing? Nico, do you sing at all? Come here.
She wants to stand behind it.
Dead end. Dead end. Die die.
How about mama?
Who do you like better? Dad dad. Who do you like better? Nico, who do you like better? She said neither.
Where are you going?
Good job. Look at her go. Hey. Nico, can I help you? Dad, Dad? Is that your favorite? Who's your favorite? Okay, bye. Say bye, Nico. Is that your little wave? Okay. Say bye. There's how Nico plays with her toys. She just takes them all. This is her favorite game called Take Everything Out of the Box. Say goodbye.